everyone, welcome to today's video where I will show you how to create a slideshow in Windows Movie Maker. First of all, if you don't have it already, just download it for free by typing Windows Live Essentials in Google. If you do have it, just press on the Start button, type in Movie Maker, click on it, and it will take you to the program. As you can see, there are two main screens. The one on the left, the small one, is where you will see your progress throughout your work. The one on the right is where you will upload your pictures and videos. Let's start by doing so. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have created a folder on my desktop with all the pictures that I want to use, but you can select them from wherever you want. To select them and copy them, just press Ctrl plus C, go to the Movie Maker again and press Ctrl plus V, and there you have them. Now that we have all the pictures, I'm going to take you through all the basic functions and features of the Windows Movie Maker. You have 6 different tabs. The first one is the home one, where you can add music, add more videos, a title, captions, credits. You can rotate the video or the picture, you can remove, and you can eventually save your work once you have finished. The animations tab is where you select your effects for the transitions between each slide. In visual effects, you can change it to black and white, different colors, and just different effects depending on what you want your video to look like. The last 3 ones are project, view, and edit, but I won't go into these ones in detail as this is quite a basic tutorial. So let's start by adding a title at the beginning. To do so, we click on Title within the Home tab. Since I have clicked on it twice, you can see that there are 2. It's just very easy. You can right click on it and remove. There you go. You can type in your title inside the text box, and as you can see, it looks very similar to Microsoft Word. For example, you can change the font and the size of your letters. Right. We can also add some captions in the slides that you want to. For example, let's add one here on the first picture. To do so, place this line on the point that you want your caption to show, then press Caption and choose the effect you want to add. For example, this one. Now you have it, and you just need to enter whatever you want your caption to say. That's done. The good thing about this program is that you can see and check your progress at any time by clicking on the play button. So far it looks like this. And there you have the caption. Let's add some credits at the end as well at this point. Maybe you can use it to give special thanks to the guests or the driver. And finally, you can add the different visual effects for the transitions. To do so, just go on Home, go on Animations, and you have many to choose from. Click on one, and the good thing about it is that you can select Apply to All, and that animation will show in at the beginning of every slide. So that will save you time in case you are working with hundreds of pictures. The grayed out corners tell you that there is an animation there. So at all times you know if there is something missing. Okay, at this point we can add some music to make it a little bit more fun to watch. You have two options. You can click on the note and it will take you to the folder that your computer recognizes as where all your music is stored. Or you can click on the little arrow and choose where you want to upload your music from. In this case, we will upload it from our computer. And here you have now both layers, the image layer and the sound layer or tracks. This is very easy because you can click on one of them to edit that part. For example, if now we want to edit the sound layer, just double click on the green layer, as you can see is the sound, and it will take you to this window where you can adjust the music volume, you can add some effects like fade in or fade out, and you can set the start time and the end point of your music. Let's have a look at what it looks like at the moment. If at this point you don't like what you see, you can always undo things. For example, you can go on the undo button by pressing also Ctrl plus Z, that's the shortcut. And that's fine, you can change whatever you don't like, or you can add more things. Right, you can also preview it in full screen by pressing this little button here, or the shortcut is F11. I'm not gonna show you at the moment because of the program that I'm using to record this tutorial. It makes it very slow and it crashes, so it won't be very useful for you. Once you are happy with all the effects you have added, go on the Home tab again, and at the far right you have the Save button. Click on the little arrow and you have many options to choose from. For example, you can burn a DVD with this video, but we will show you that in a different video. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the recommended for this project by the program. We click on it, we give it a title, and we save it wherever we want to. Right, that's all done for you. You just need to wait a little bit, and once it's ready, you can preview it and see if you're happy with it, with the final outcome. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Bye.